Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Shopify password. Now you just want to open your Shopify and log in into your account. Let me do that right now. The next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click your name in the top right, and then you want to click on manage account. As you can see, manage account. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on security in the left. Now after you click on security, you can do a lot of things. For example, you can create you can change your password. As if you click on change password here, you can add secondary email. You can add like other like two-step verification. Like whenever you open your account, you will need to enter the code. Now you can also delete if someone thinks they are using your account. You can click on log out. You will see here how many people use your account. So the only device that is using my account is my Windows laptop. Now you want to scroll up and then click on change password. Okay, and here you have to enter the current password. Now probably you don't remember this password. You just want to click on forgot password, enter that. Okay, and then click select add a new password and confirm a new password, like add it again here, the new password. Now the current password, if you don't remember it, guys, you need to click on forgot password, and then it will send you an email. Click on rest password and it will send you an email to your email. Open it and then click on it, and then you can rest the password. So you can change it also there. Okay, now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.